Hi guys! Today we are going to learn about adverbs of frequency. So please you take your book page 9. Here is the activity. Follow the examples to complete the table with the correct adverbs of frequency. But first, what are these adverbs? So adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action takes place. And an easy way to remember the meaning of frequency adverbs is to match them with percentages. So we ask just a question, how often do you do something? Let's start with the first example with Dana here. So we can ask a question. Simply we say, how often? So how often does Dana walk? We ask about frequency. Dana always walks. Okay, and we give 100% to always. What does it mean 100%? It means you do something all the time. Okay, and the opposite of always is never. We see here the last example. Sam never goes camping. So if we ask the question, how often does Sam go camping? 0%, never. Okay, it means you don't ever do this activity at all. So never, 0%. And of course, between 100% and 0%, we have other adverbs of frequency, which are usually, it gives us 80%. It is not all of the time, but most of the time. Okay, then we have sometimes 50%. We have here Selena sometimes goes shopping. Sometimes she goes, sometimes not. Okay, so 50-50. Now we have 10%. We give it to rarely. Here an example, Sasha rarely dances. It means in some occasions she dances, otherwise she doesn't dance. Okay, so we give only 10%. Let's practice with the first picture. Yellow, we have here 10%. They go skiing. So we are going to use rarely. This adverb fits here. So they rarely go skiing. Then Carlos, we have 100%. As we have said, 100%, we give it to always. It means we do something all the time. Then we have Amy. Amy, apparently she doesn't like fishing. That's why she never goes fishing, because we have 0%. And he, 80%, so it means most of the time, not all the time. Most, so we are going to use usually. Okay, then 50%, half, let's say. So sometimes we are going to use sometimes, because it's 50%. Okay, now I have another remark. Of course, where are we going to put our verbs? You can see here from the examples that we are putting the verb just after the adverb of frequency. So we don't say Dana walks always. We say Dana always walks. Okay, so we put the adverb of frequency, then the verb or the main verb of the sentence. Of course, there is an exception with verb to be. Here is an example. He is usually happy. Okay, you can see, of course, that we put the verb, which is verb to be, just before, not after. Be careful with verb to be only. We put verb to be before the adverb of frequency. That's it for today. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you.